Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I have not uploaded in over a week and I'm so sorry, but exam season has been very stressful. My exams lasted only a week. They used to last a lot longer than this, but this time around they lasted only about a week and they were very stressful, so I had to take a break from YouTube because, so I could focus on my work. Um, I could have done YouTube because I feel like I would have put my heart and soul into the videos and I would have created good quality content. So I decided to just put it on halt until exams could end so I can be back with good quality content. Today's recipe, we're back with a nice light appetizer. This is an Italian appetizer, I believe, Italian style, and it is made with eggplant. It's super quick to make and it's also super easy, and the flavors are really well balanced, so rich and tangy and spicy and super quick to make. Very few ingredients too, so let's show you guys how to make it. To make this Italian appetizer, here we have one eggplant that we're going to slice into circles, about 3 to 4 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper, 3 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of chili flakes. You can use as much as you want, depends on your taste, and about 3 tablespoons of parsley. So our first step is, in a bowl of water, we're going to add a tablespoon, a generous amount of salt. And we'll just give it a mix to make sure that the salt dissolves in the water. So I just trimmed this part, and now we're gonna try to cut it into circulars. Once you've sliced them, we're just going to take like a plate or something and try to immerse them into the water, and we're going to place a heavy object on top so that they stay in the water for about, I'd say 15 minutes. Now in another bowl, we're going to just add our olive oil, salt, pepper. So these are colored peppercorns. So we have the white ones, the black ones. I think there were some red ones here as well. You don't have to use these. You can use just regular pepper. We just have these around, so we decided to use them. Next, we're going to add in the chili flakes and the parsley. As for the garlic, we're going to crush it. So once you've crushed in the garlic, you're just going to mix all of this together. And we're going to let all these flavors infuse with each other for about 30 minutes. Just gonna cover that and let it rest for 30 minutes so that all the flavors can infuse with each other. So it's been about 30 minutes, and now we're going to move on to the next step. So we're going to take our eggplant circulars and we're just going to line them in here over a paper towel. Once you've lined them, now we're just gonna take a towel, another paper towel / tissue, and we're going to pat them dry while our pan is heating up. So our pan has heated up and we've patted the eggplant circles dry. Now we're gonna spray our pan with some oil, and we're going to just brush the oil. And now it's time to grill the eggplants. Just lightly grill them, nothing. So once they've gotten nice and golden brown from one side, you're just gonna flip it to the other side. No, not this one. So we've grilled our aubergines and now we're going to season them, I guess. So here's our mixture and we're just going to take some of it. Lift it with everything, the parsley and all, and you're going to brush it on one side. You're going to flip it to the other side and you're going to repeat the same process. And we're going to do this to all of our circles. We're going to repeat this with all of our circles and then we'll cover them, let them absorb all the flavors, and then they're ready to be served. So we've brushed them on both sides with the olive oil mixture, and now we're going to cover them with plastic wrap and we're going to just let them chill for about 30 minutes. Just let them absorb all the flavors and then you can serve it as a nice appetizer. So this is what it looks like, and look at those beautiful golden brown crispiness. It looks so good, and I can't wait to try this one. So let's try this one. The flavors are amazing. So you get that little spiciness from the chili flakes. You get that tanginess from the garlic. You get that richness and that creaminess, I guess, from the olive oil. Really great equilibrium and really great, just, you know, it's a well balanced appetizer. Super quick to make, super easy, and highly recommend trying this. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on my social media so you guys can support me to make more content. I'm available on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Discord. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!